Good morning, first. Good morning, friends. Okay, today we are starting our new point, that is characteristics of a circular motion. Okay, in last video or in last lecture, we studied about the what is meant by circular motion. What is that? The particle or object which is perform a circular track with the same radius is called circular motion. Now today we have to know about what are the characteristics of the circular motion. First one, when we are talking about the particle which is perform a circular motion, now look, suppose this is the circular track of that particle. Now my particle P, which is perform a circular path. Okay, so that means there is a velocity which is nothing but we can say there is a linear velocity. So we know that this linear velocity which changes each and every point. So whenever the linear velocity changes, there is acceleration. So acceleration changes now. So that means when we are talking the characteristics of the circular motion, the first characteristics is it is a what? Accelerated. There is accelerated now because linear velocity changes each and every point of that circular path or that circular track. So that's why we have the change in velocity with particular time instant. There is a change in acceleration. We have the change in acceleration, so there is a acceleration. This is our first characteristics. Now we have the second characteristic, which is nothing but, suppose this is a particle P which is perform a circular motion, so it comes over here at point P. That means it's travel upward this circular path from this point and comes again this point. Okay, means this point P, initial point of that point is P and final point of that point P again P. Okay, so that means his starting point or initial point and final point are same. So that means it's cover a complete rotation and that things happen again and again. Means suppose particle goes from here, comes here, and these things happens repeat and repeat. So it is again and again. So it is called periodic. So we have the second characteristics of the circular motion. It is a periodic. It is a periodic motion. So we have two characteristics. First one, we have the particle when perform a circular motion, its velocity changes. That's why there is acceleration, change in acceleration. So it is accelerated motion. Second, we have the periodic motion because particle perform a circular motion and it thinks these things happens repeat and repeat or again and again. That's why it is our periodic motion. So circular motion have two characteristics. First one, it is accelerated and it is a periodic in motion. Okay, so now we are talking about the next thing, that is nothing but UCM. So we have to know about what is meant by UCM. UCM is nothing but it is a uniform circular motion. How to define it? A particle perform a circular motion with a constant speed is called uniform circular motion. Now this is my particle which is perform circular path or circular motion with constant speed. Constant speed is called uniform circular motion. Is it clear? We have constant speed here. So what are the examples of this uniform circular motion? First one, Earth which is revolve around the sun, or moon which is revolve around the earth, or any other planet which is revolve around the sun, or electron which is, or we can say, we have third, that is all planets, we can say all planets which is revolve around the sun. Okay, so these are the example of uniform circular motion. Now the next bit, that is non-uniform circular motion. Now how to define it? In uniform circular motion, there is a constant speed over there. So in a non-uniform circular motion, there is no constant speed. Keep in mind. So our definition becomes when particle perform a circular motion without constant speed. Without constant speed is called non-uniform circular motion. Okay, so we are taking the example of this is nothing but fan. So suppose we are switch on the fan, then its speed will increases. Okay, and when switch that fan, we have again the speed of that fan becomes decreasing order or decreases. So we have the fan is the example of uniform circular motion which is without constant speed, and this fan also the example of uniform circular motion where when hand which is properly set, if hand which is properly set or fixed point, we are taking 5 speed, 4 speed, whatever, okay, we tune that or turn that speed or fix that speed, in that case our hand becomes the example of uniform circular motion. So I am taking the example, one of the best example, that is fan, which we are using in both case, that is uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. So today we discussed the characteristics of circular motion. In that case we studied what are the characteristics. There are 2 characteristics in that. It is accelerated motion and second it is a periodic motion. These are the characteristics of circular motion. And second one we studied UCM, that is uniform circular motion. We have the constant speed over there. We have the examples, earth around the sun and moon around the earth and all the planets which is revolve around the sun. Now third we studied that is non-uniform circular motion, that is the particle which is performed without constant speed, perform a circular track without constant speed is called uniform circular motion. Example is fan. When we on or off, in that case fan get increasing its speed or decreasing its speed. That means there is a without constant speed, or there is not a constant speed over there. Now this fan is the example of UCM also, because when we get the set fan, set its speed properly, then it continuously take a constant speed to rotate. Okay, so I think you understand properly. So share, comments, like, okay, my channel, and thank you.